Shillong, the city of clouds. It is the capital of Meghalaya. Meghalaya means clouds, clouds which move all around you. It's a beautiful place to visit. Clouds, food, waterfalls, and different places to visit. Let us see Meghalaya in detail. Shillong is blessed with waterfalls, forests, root bridges, bottling forests, museums, caves, tea gardens, shopping, food, culture. Now we have reached Shillong Hotel, Wintermere. It is totally beautiful 4-star hotels. It has a beautiful banquet hall, and with our team we are going to stay at this hotel for 3 days. Shillong cannot be covered in one single episode, so has been divided into 3 parts. Come, our Innova car has come. First, we are going to visit Elephanta Waterfalls. This Elephanta Waterfalls is divided into 3 steps. Let's start the journey of Shillong today. We have reached Elephanta Waterfalls. This is the first stage of Elephanta Waterfalls, where the waterfall starts flowing. Then we have to step down 120 steps. This is the second stage, where you can click photos at your side. This is the third stage. The beautiful view of waterfall is mind-blowing. Each step we have to climb down about 120 steps. Beautiful place to spend time with your family and friends. Don't miss eating the sweet pineapples of Shillong. They are very yummy. From here we are going to move to Watts Lake. The timing at Watts Lake are March to October, Friday to Monday 8:30 to 6:30, Saturday Sunday 8:30 to 7, November to February Monday to Friday 8:30 to 4:30, and Saturday Sunday 8:30 to 5 p.m. Now we have come at the blossom timing at Watts Lake. The Watts Lake is fully blossomed with different flowers. We can just run throughout the flowers to see the blossom. It's beautiful with different type of flowers. After playing in flowers, you can have boating at Watts Lake. It's a beautiful time to spend in the evening. Just cross the bridge after boating and click some photos in the garden with your family. It's a blossom time, so you can click with flowers, ducks, and different types of photos in different flowers. After clicking photos, you can play with the ducks, just chasing the ducks all around. The establishment of this lake was planned by the Chief Commissioner of Assam, Sir William Watts. It's a beautiful time to spend in this lake. It's in the just center of the city. From here, we are going to move to Donbosco Museum. Donbosco Museum is showing the culture of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. Skywalk is one of the beautiful place to see the Sillong view. There is a skywalk at Donbosco Museum. From Donbosco Museum, we are going to the golf club. It is a beautiful place to spend time with your family. We have traveled back to the hotel as it was already 5:30 and sunset time. Now it was the dinner time with the group. Enjoyed with our team at the dining place. Before that, we enjoyed a cultural evening at banquet hall, a newly married couple, which was very beautiful. Now, goodbye. We'll meet in the second episode of Shillong. We will see Living Root Bridge, Clean Asians Village, and Dowki boating time. Bye bye. Please subscribe my channel and watch the second episode. Subscribe, share. Meet you soon.